So Europe, unlike the US, actually, we've had quite a friendly regulatory environment over the last few years. In markets like Switzerland, Germany, and the UAE, the regulations have been quite clear with acts like MiCA. But in terms of adoption, it has been relatively slow over the last 4 or 5 years. But I think we've seen two real catalysts recently that have and will turbocharge the adoption of blockchain and Blockdaemon's tech stack. And the first of those is just generally the ETF success in the US with other products, where they've been one of the most successful products ever launched. And that's really pushed crypto, Bitcoin, and the rest of crypto into the mainstream psyche. And now every investor knows they have to do something in this space. And secondly, and more recently, has been the Genius Act in the US, which is the stablecoin bill. And with that, we're really seeing the emergence of what we think is one of the first killer use cases of crypto, and that's stablecoins. And that's really been the two big catalysts in recent adoption.
In this space, we hear a lot about risk mitigation and regulation, which is moving forward at the moment. I think the really interesting piece for more adoption from institutional clients is the ability for them to plug into the blockchain ecosystem. The great thing about Blockdaemon is we provide that. We allow top tier financial institutions to plug their systems easily into the blockchain infrastructure.
Blockdaemon is connecting institutions to blockchains. We turn blockchain infrastructure from an internal compliance headache into a live revenue-generating product for institutions with our institutional-grade and compliant blockchain infrastructure.
When first speaking to institutions, for myself, the most important thing I do is check the team who I'm speaking with. If the team has implemented a digital assets team or a senior blockchain officer within the team, it shows that they've spent a lot of time and commitment and they've moved away from the exploration stage and are really thinking about implementing blockchain technologies within their institution. So from that moment on, we delve in deeper, see how Blockdaemon can support them, whether that's on the node side, on the staking, the wallets, or the DeFi side. And from there, we're able to book in that first call and really dig in deeper.
So immediately after go live for staking customers, we'll be looking at the proportion of eligible assets that are actively earning rewards. Once a customer is earning rewards, we know for them that that's tangible yield and tangible real value, and we have to get them to that place. For node and API customers, we'll be looking at request volumes, but simultaneously we'll be asking ourselves whether we're supporting these customer workflows in a reliable way. So we'll also be checking node uptimes, request latency, especially for these new customers. In terms of what I do, I keep things moving in the right direction by creating smooth onboarding experiences, by solving problems early, and by keeping feedback loops really tight, so that Blockdaemon has the information it needs to build products that best support our customers and their strategies.
Yeah, what I'm looking forward to the most is growth. We've got some fantastic customers and partners in EMEA, Zodia, 21 Shares, CoinShares, and a whole raft of other great customers and partners. By building out the team with leadership from Chan and Danny and Bart in the team, we're going to be able to, number one, support our customers much better, more deeply, and help them with their business priorities and objectives, and be able to onboard and scale and ultimately grow and help more customers across EMEA with services from Blockdaemon and its platform and suite of offerings across nodes, staking, API, MPC, and now DeFi as well. So it's super exciting times.